This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fuel pump removal and refitting. Move the front seats fully forward, then pull up the front edge and remove the rear seat cushion. Undo the plastic nuts, lift the access cover and disconnect the wiring plug. Move the cover to one side. Clean around the area to prevent dirt ingress, then squeeze together the retaining clips and disconnect the fuel pipe. Move the pipe out of the way and mop up any fuel spillage. Make alignment marks to note the fitted position of the locking ring, then using a suitable tool, rotate the ring anti-clockwise and remove it. Carefully manoeuvre the pump assembly from the tank, taking care not to damage the level sensor arm. Remove the old sealing ring from the tank aperture. If required, release the clips, slide the level sensor from place, then disconnect the sensor wiring plug. Slide the level sensor into place and reconnect the wiring plug. Clean the tank aperture, then fit the new sealing ring. Manoeuvre the pump assembly into position, then refit the locking ring and tighten it until the previously made marks align. Reconnect the fuel pipe and the wiring plug, then refit the access cover and securely tighten the plastic retaining nuts. Refit the rear seat cushion and slide the front seats back into place.